Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for December 31st, going into January 2nd, 2026. Happy New Year. I hope everybody enjoyed their New Year's Eve and look forward to being with you in the new year and helping you drive revenue. All right. Let's start off with the S&P 500. Came off on Wednesday. We've been bullish since 3502. We've seen 3,492 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls along the way. Those are all on hold. We are currently holding macro exhaustion at 69.91 and a quarter with the 69.94 high, and had rolled over 71.75 into Wednesday, and then even more than that down to 68.90 and a quarter. Again, this is a more macro chart, but you can see we held the bottom of this macro exhaustion area right here, and we're starting to roll over a bit. So if that does turn into a full-fledged bearish correction, could be pretty significant with last week's, possibly months. If we leave a maintain gap lower on Friday, that'll leave a medium bearish reversal above. That will also likely accelerate the downside. And we also left the minor bearish reversal above, warned about on 12/29. We left a minor bearish reversal above as well. So we've been seeing pressure from that over the past 3 days. I warned of range expansion on Wednesday, which we obviously saw here, multiples of the previous day. And decent trade above 69, 35, 63, minus 73 per hour. That'll warrant decent strength, but that's a minor formation. Decent trade above 69.71 to 73. We'll project this upward 80 points minimum. Okay, on to the gold. Gold left the gap open lower on Wednesday, maintain gap higher. Friday will leave a minor bullish reversal below. Overall in gold, we've been bullish since August 16, 2018. With the break above 1183, we've seen 3,400.3 per ounce. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Those are all on hold. On a lower time frame basis, the trade above 39.7320 bought in 610.8 of strength. A couple other bullish calls in here. Those are also on hold. Then the trade below 44.9860, I said, projects this downward $47 minimum, $95 plus maximum. We've attained 214.3 of that so far. Decent trade below this formation right here, but warn of continued pressure. That's going to come in at 43.0880. Minus 1.3 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. A decent penetration in there is going to be 31.9 up until Friday's open. Thereafter, it'll be 28.5. Decent trade above this formation up here will warrant a decent strength. That's going to come in at 44.2620. Plus 4.5 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Okay, and the Bitcoin. Good bullish overall from 16,275. We've seen 110,965 to the upside. A lot of other bullish calls in here. Then we got overall bearish below 124,228. We've seen 43,478 to the downside. That's now off hold. We had a couple other lower time frame calls in here I won't go over. Then the trade back below 86,695. Warned a decent pressure. We saw 2,620 of that so far. And then I said that decent trade below 88,697 will warrant decent pressure. And we broke below that right in here. If we were to break above this formation right here, which is going to come in at, if we break above there decently, it comes in at 88,859. Minus 33 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant a decent strength. And the other ascending trend line right here comes in at 88,888 plus 24 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. This formation right here, which is going to come in at 86,207 plus 8 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. That'll warrant a decent pressure, possibly for 5,000 plus, but would like to see a bounce off of that first before breaking below it to have added confidence on the short below. If we don't see a bounce off it first and it just blows right through it, then it may fail and might be a better long on a break back above. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.